Hi friends, this is Srinivas. Today I am going to solve BS2 time series exercise 7b question number 8. It is short question. So here given question is given the trend equation YC equal to 34.5 plus 2.1x. 1999 equal to 0. Change the base year to 2003 and rewrite the trend equation. So here one equation is given. That equation is YC equal to 34.5 plus 2.1x. So here they are asking is change the base year. So here 1999 value is 0. So 2000 value is 1. 2001 2. 2002 value is 3. 2003 value is 4. So change this 1999 to 2003 means here take x plus 4. So already here x value is given. So to this x value we have to add 4. So YC equal to 34.5 plus 2.1 into here take x plus 4. Okay. So then so this 2.1 multiplies to both. So YC equal to 34.5 plus 2.1 into x, 2.1 into x. So here plus is there, right? Plus as it is 2.1 into 4. 2.1 into 4. So YC equal to 34.5 same. So 2.1 into x, 2.1x. So next 2.1 into 4, that is 8.4. Okay. So 34.5 and 8.4. So both are constant values. So here add constant values. YC equal to 34.5 plus 8.4. So it is 42.9. So remaining value same 2.1x. So this is the solution. So it is very important one. Next question. Ninth question, that is the trend equation of a phenomenon is YC equal to 88 plus 0.6s. The origin is 1997. The time is 1 year. Shift the origin to 2001. So here we are changing origin from 1997 to 2001. So here 1997 equal to 0. So 1998 1, 1999 it is 2, 2000 it is 3, 2001. So 2001 year value is 4. So this 4 is added to S. Okay. So let us see here given equation is YC equal to 88 plus 0.6. So here what they are given? They are given is S. S means here X. So to this X value here add this 4. So X plus 4. So put in bracket. Okay. So next here YC equal to 88 plus, so this 0.6 is multiplies to x and 4. So 0.6 into x, here plus is there, right? Plus as it is. So 0.6 into 4. 0.6 into 4. So then yc equal to, write 88 as it is, plus 0.6 into x, that is 0.6x. So plus, so 0.6 into 4, so that value is 2.4. Okay, right. So 88 and 2.4 both are constant values. So now I am adding these two values. So yc equal to 88 plus 2.4, that value is 90.4. 90.4. So next plus remaining value same, 0.6x. So this is the answer.